A civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties/areas: Oakland County, Michigan, beginning at 4:48 p.m. June 16, 2024 and ending at 5:48 p.m. June 16, 2024. Oakland County Sheriff, active shooter located near Spencer Park in Rochester Hills. Avoid area and seek shelter. Tune to local media for more information.
Breaking news this afternoon from Auburn Hills, where there's been a mass shooting at a splash park, the Brooklands Splash Pad at Auburn Hills Road in Rochester Hills this afternoon. We are being told that between 9 and 10 people have been shot at this location. Shot earlier this afternoon, about 5:30 or so is when this happened. Oakland County Sheriff Michael Bouchard briefing reporters a short time ago. We know that there have been 9 to 10 people injured, as many as 10 people injured. They are at area hospitals. We do not know of any fatalities